welcome to this week's episode of Coffee with CREN. I'm Lauren, and today we're going to be going over our new coming soon status. Let's get into it. Cheers! So, as some of you guys have seen, we do have a new status of coming soon. What this coming soon status allows you to do is it allows you to put your listing up as coming soon. And you cannot do showings within it, but it will send out to third-party websites in a coming soon status for 10 days, and then after that 10 days it will automatically come on the market as new. So how we put that into Paragon Connect is you're going to go over to your hamburger menu, click on that, go to listings, and then you can create a new listing. I'm going to just manually create it just for purposes of showing you. We'll just do a residential listing. Sorry, I can't move my little screen. So then you would put your status as coming soon. And then you can go in and fill out the rest of your fields. You can see there's 63 required fields. It did auto-populate some things for me, so just make sure that you go through and double check all of your fields, and that is how you do a coming soon status. Again, this coming soon status will be in the coming soon status for 10 days, and then will automatically go into a new status. Within those 10 days, you can also go into your listing and set it as new yourself. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us here at the CREN office, and we'd be happy to guide you through the rest of the process, or if you see any hiccups that come through. All right, well, I hope you guys have a good week. Thanks for joining. Bye.